Artificial intelligence isn't just changing industries. It's revolutionizing how people build profitable online businesses. Today, the smartest entrepreneurs aren't just working harder. They're leveraging AI to work smarter. One powerful example is using AI tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney to create highly profitable digital products. Imagine launching your own online business unique content effortlessly with AI. Entrepreneurs are turning simple ideas into profitable streams of passive income by automating the hard work. Another practical method is affiliate marketing, enhanced by AI-driven insights. AI now identifies profitable niches, writes compelling content, and even predicts market trends, helping you maximize your affiliate sales effortlessly. Even without tech skills, you can start earning by integrating AI tools into freelancing or consulting businesses. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are filled with clients ready to pay for AI-driven services, from content creation to market analysis. The key to AI-powered profits in 2025 is simple. Choose the right AI tools, find your niche, and take consistent action. Success stories are multiplying daily, proving that making money online isn't complicated. It just requires embracing the tools of the future. Ready to dive deeper into exactly how to build your profitable online income stream using AI? Check out the full guide in my ebook, AI-Powered Profits, now available on Amazon. Take the first step towards your AI-driven future today.